How to know if someone blocked you on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome back. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can see or check whether somebody has actually blocked you on Snapchat or not. However, there's no such direct way of knowing this, but then you can follow the steps and get to know whether he or she has blocked you. So all those points that I'm going to mention might be a reason that the other user has actually deleted the account, or he or she might have blocked you. But then there's no such evidence that he or she has actually blocked you. So make sure to watch this video till the end. The first thing is you can start checking the conversation. So for that, you need to log in into your Snapchat account and then go to your chat page, or just swipe towards your left hand side. And right on this page, if the user was frequently texting with you or sending snap or exchanging snap and all that, then you can locate whether the chat has been deleted or not. If you can still see your conversation, this means that the person account is still active and they haven't blocked you. Maybe they're trying to take a break from Snapchat, or they've just deactivated the account whatsoever. And after that, when you locate the following conversation, then you can try sending a snap or new messages. If the messages is delivered, you know that you haven't been blocked and they haven't deleted their account. Then you can also give a message if it says still pending and shows a gray icon, then there is a chance that you might have been blocked. Apart from it, if you're unable to find the username on the following account, then you can try using your friend's account and check the username whether you are able to find them on Snapchat or not. If you are able to find them, then it probably means that he or she might have blocked you on Snapchat. And also, what happened actually when somebody blocks you on Snapchat is that you won't be able to view their profile, first thing. The second thing is you won't be able to send them messages or snap, and along with that, you'll also not be able to view their stories if they've added on Snapchat. By following this step, you can know if somebody has actually blocked you on Snapchat or not. As already mentioned, this can be an indication that he or she might have taken a break or deactivated the account, or it could be an indication that he or she might have blocked you. So that's how you can get to know if somebody has blocked you on Snapchat or not. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.